Happy Monday, Realtors. Welcome to another great week at C21 Circle. I am here in our new video studio that we've set up here in the Avila branch. We're excited about this. Every Wednesday, guys, I'm going to skip ahead of what our plan is for the week, but every Wednesday, we are going to have a video creation day where after Digital Mastery at 10, you can come in here, we'll help you create videos. It'll be a great way for you to get in the habit of every week creating a video or two that you share. Videos are what people are watching, guys. Reels and Instagram videos, TikTok videos, they are taking tons of hits, and you need to be a part of that. Did you guys know that more than half of real estate searches now begin on YouTube? Do you have a YouTube channel? Are you posting to your YouTube channel? You need to be, and this is now the place to do it. Also, this office will always be open to you to be able to come in, unless I'm in a meeting, but 99% of the time you can just come in and start filming. When I'm here, I'm happy to help you with it, and it's going to be a great situation. Rest of the week, Monday, we have our normal trainings at 10 a.m. For all of our groups except our newest group. Our newest group is meeting at 11:30 this week. Of course, we have 12:30. Our agent service coordinators host our tools training. If you have not attended that, please do. Just get with your agent service coordinator at any of the offices, and you can meet with them. Tuesdays, of course, we'll have Digital Mastery. I already said Wednesday, but again, Wednesday, video creation at 11 after Digital Mastery. It's going to be a great time. Friday, of course, we have the morning grind, and it's going to be a great week. If you need anything, my Outlook calendar is up to date. Just let me know.